Welcome to QuoteUp Tutorials. In this video, we will look at how to notify your contractors. Let's begin. Once your client has approved your quote containing your contractor price request, you are now ready to notify your contractors. When your quote is approved, you will receive a phone notification which will take you straight to alerts. At this point, you will see a Notify Contractors alert. Select it to notify contractors. Once on the price request screen, you will find Requests tabs. Select these to view contractors. The contractor you have selected for this quote will be highlighted with a green marker to the left of the screen. From here, you are able to select any of the contractors you proceed with for this service, unless you have previously declined as per this example. You can action each contractor price request by swiping left to approve or swiping right to decline. It is important to note that you can only approve one contractor for any service. Now your contractors have been notified, you are able to action the quote by selecting the menu at the top of the screen. For further help, please contact our customer support team and remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular handy hints.